Hi everyone, so I'm about to share another journal with you. This one is called Autumn Fruits, or Fruits of Autumn, whatever one you want to call it. I have used a couple of ARTYmaze's kits in here. Autumn Fruits, I've used Autumn Whisper or Whispers of Autumn, I can't remember, I'm probably getting the names around the other way. I think I've used some Autumn Medley as well. Also used some freebies that ARTYmaze had gave out like a couple of years ago that are obviously autumn themed. So this measures, actually I don't know what it measures, I didn't write that down. It's 8 1/4 by 4 1/4, so it's traveller's notebook size, has one signature, and it's 44 pages front and back. It will be listed in my shop if you're interested. So yeah, so the cover, I have just used one of the pages. I think it's called Autumn Medley. No, I don't think it is actually. I think it's called something else. I can't remember which one it's called, but it's from one of the autumn kits. I did actually have a bit of Autumn Splendor. No, it's not that one either. I have used some of that too. It's absolutely gorgeous. Well, they're all nice, but this particular page, I really does like it. Lovely collaging. Didn't want to cover up anything on there whatsoever because it's just nice as it is. It's all been stitched, and yeah, let's go inside. So the inside, we've got some lined paper. That is from the Autumn Splendor, I think it's called, and so is that. I think the main pages are actually from that kit, and I haven't used that in a while. Well, obviously because it's autumn, so I only kind of use it, like, you know, for a little bit once a year. And love all the fruits with that. Here I've used some of the Autumn Fruits kit, and one of the pages I kind of chopped up and made pockets with it, so you know you can do other things with the pages rather than just have them as pages. This is a little freebie from MyPorchPrints on her Facebook group, which is called Fans of MyPorchPrints, I think. So just some little autumn postcards there. This is from the Autumn Fruits from ARTYmaze, one of the journal cards. So is that, and they'll tuck in at the pocket. This is one of the freebies. I kind of take it it's autumn. It looked autumn to me, hence why I used it. I think it is. You get 3 of them on a sheet. And I don't know if they're now over on ARTYmaze's coffee shop, or it was on her Facebook group, because like I said, it was a couple of years ago, and I know she's been putting stuff on her coffee shop. This is an Edith Holden book page from the September-October months, I think. September, and we've got another one of them there. It's definitely autumn, isn't it? So that just flips, and this is on there, which you can tuck things in like that. I'm going to leave it like that. I prefer it like that. So that flips open, you can tuck things in there, or you could actually make that a permanent pocket. Here, this is a book page from England is a Garden, and I've got some autumn quotes here from one of ARTYmaze's kits. It's a lovely little scene there in the background. And we have this from Autumn Fruits, and this is from the Fruits of Autumn Whispers. Can't remember folks, sorry. But it's all from the autumn. If you go onto ARTYmaze's Etsy store and just put in autumn, all the kits will show up that are from the autumn collection. Again, a lovely page here from that book. It's like a bit of a castle, I think. And then obviously a little bit of writing here. It's a chapel. Is it from a chapel? No, the chapel of it's from a chapel. This is again one of the collage pages from one of the kits. I had a lot of this already printed out from last year as well, and I just backed that with some square paper stitched all around, and you can tuck something in there. It's got a nice little feel to it because it's like it's backed as well, and I've just done like that closure on there, like a policy closure I think it's called. Could be wrong. That just goes down like that, so you can tuck some little secrets in there. And then we've got like 2 pages there of journaling space. Let's just pop that on. And we've got a top tuck, corner tuck. That is from one of the pages, like I said, that I chopped the page up and made tags with. I didn't put tabs on them, but what I'm going to do is I'll stick 2 little tabs up there just in case you wanted them to have tabs on them, and just pop them in there like so. This is from the Autumn Splendor, I think it's called. I think that's what it's called. This is one of the pages, and I just made like a full like tuck page there, so you could stick other things on there, you can tuck things in there. Postcard from the Autumn Whispers or the Autumn Fruits, one of the two. Another Edith Holden, again that flips out. I think that's from the month of, we'll see on the other side, be September probably, because that's how I'm going through the book at the moment, still in September. And this is a freebie that can tuck in there. That is from one of the kits as well. Then here we have another book page pocket, and I made a little booklet with this double journal card and the coffee dyed papers inside. The little quote here, this was a freebie from ARTYmaze. Like I said, I don't know if these are on our coffee shop or on our website, but that's where I got them. I got it from the website years ago. So I mean, that could be a little envelope actually, and that tucks in there. Another Autumn Fruits here, that's a double tag, and more journaling space. Center of the signature, this is from the Autumn's, is it Splendor? I think it's called Splendor. A lovely one there. This is of Windsor Castle. How appropriate right now. So I've got a little bit of Windsor Castle in here, talking about when William the Conqueror. So that's a little bit of interest there. And obviously the flowers are hollyhocks. Whoops, throwing it all around now. Another little sentiment there, quote. Again, this was a freebie from ARTYmaze, and that goes in there. Double tag. When I say double tag, it's double layered with the fruits. I do love that one. It's just so nice, so pretty. And another little booklet. So as you can see, it's dominated really with the fruits, more or less the fruit kits from ARTYmaze, the autumn fruit kits. Edith Holden, and does it say on it? I think that's the September October one. Little journal card that I used as a pocket, and we've got another ticket in there. Didn't actually think at the time they could have added a lot of sunflowers to this, because sunflowers are quite autumny, aren't they? Another quote there, another side tuck from one of the pages, large journal card there. Then here we have a corner tuck with the fruits. Again, didn't want to cover them over because, you know, what's the point of printing that out and then covering it over. 2 journal cards, a tag and a journal card. Some journal space, the book page, whoops, missed a page, and here again some nice scenery on that page. Another quote, 2 tags, that's a double layered tag. So yeah, it's been a sad few days with you know, the Queen dying, and you know, seeing so much on the TV, and yeah, very heartbreaking time. A ticket, again that's a freebie, and another postcard. I am planning myself at one point this week to go into London. Lay some flowers. This is definitely autumn, isn't it? I wasn't too sure to start with, and now when I look at it properly, it's got all the corn and definitely, like, you know, autumn time, harvest time. And so that's a freebie. That's from the page that I chopped up to make pockets. This is from MyPorchPrints, and 2 journal, well, journal tag and a journal card. And I think that's it actually. I think that's it. And I love that page. I love the colours. I love autumn colours. I think a lot of people do. Love spring because everything starts to bloom, and I love autumn. So like I said, this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. And I do have a few more of the autumn little kits. You'll see them on there. I'll put a link to that below as well, put the video and the listing. Got a few more of them. available. So yeah, so if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.